All right, round 3, we're gonna head back. We'll do some for their channel for hobo shoestring, right? So anyway, so we're gonna head towards I-7 here. So, like I said, you can tell they poured some nice rock in here. It's like I said, this is the second day of March 2025. Already into March. The bagging season on YouTube is 5 months away, probably. People start formulating. It's amazing how people want to always they have memberships. You can listen to my crap whenever you want. You can tell there's a fire over there. Something's going on over there. But yeah, that goes over to somewhere down there. There's probably a business down there. It goes all the way down there. You know, the light rail's coming up here. I think one time I walked across this bridge a long, long time ago, but all incorporates the whole video, so. I can tell. Nice day for a walk on the rail, right? Yeah, this goes all the way. I might go over to Golden Valley maybe a month or so, and you kind of head towards New Hope, walk along that railroad track, this same track on the other side over there. So, but I think it's kind of cool where all the trains, especially in Minneapolis, the big yard is over there in St. Paul off of 61. You can kind of watch them do the really good video I saw one time. It was I think in Ohio, how they run the coal trains up, flip them over. It's really cool, really interesting. It was short, but it was very cool how it's all done. I wonder if those big silver ones, if they were, when they want to scrap them out, you can make them into dump trucks. Cut the top off them, put them on a trailer. So something was here. What it was leaking out. When they used to haul corn behind my house all the time, they would be leaking corn, so I don't know what that is. Looks like Coke, right? No money yet. I think I've told the story many, many times. There was a young man about, I don't know, 5 years ago. He was like 13 years old. And they were I biked it one time, on 44 in the spring, this time of year. Snow was melting, and somebody threw out their marijuana and their money. It was like 15 grand in cash. He kept the money, didn't take the drugs, and he was spending it and giving it out to people, $100 bills, and they took it away from him. I'm like, what are you doing that for, man? Why are you doing that? Let him have his money, you know? That pissed me off. It's like, you know, the kid's just trying to, you know, be nice about it. Don't take it away from the guy. Let him have it. So. Yeah, this is the other railroad track I'm coming across. Up ahead of me is the old Milwaukee Road that goes on the other side of the lake by my house. I've walked there before. I did that in the winter one that came out today, a 5 version of walking on railroad tracks in the snow. Whatever they're getting, 15, 20. I get it. It was fun. You know, to me, YouTube's an escape. It's fun to go out and walk around and make videos, and you do whatever you want to do, and, you know, rail fanning's, you know, fun to do, and take a walk. So, yeah, CP rail, no trespassing, private property. So, shame on me. But yeah, that one, that connects. That's this. They must bring train up, and they come across. So from Milwaukee Road, they bring their trains off their main rail line, and then they hook onto this one. So they come from Milwaukee. That's what they do. So they built that brand new one. It's nice. So by the time I drive over there and do it, but gotta get home to Sue Ellen. So Yep. CP rail, no trespassing, private property. So, I think I've walked across here before. Yeah, they have a place downtown Minneapolis, so you can tell this is all tatted up. I think I was here 2 years ago. I think one time a train came by. So, yeah, you gotta walk in the wood here. You don't want to crack an ankle here. That would be very good. Yeah, so I'm getting into St. Louis Park. It keeps going. I've walked over there before. I walked across that one bridge one time a long time ago by Dakota Park. Yeah, this goes a ways, so kind of tell the handiwork of the thugs. But as soon as something's nice, where did I see? I think it was in Hopkins. They tore down the movie theater. They already tagged the side of the building, already tagged it already. You know, just right away they tag it. I get this to a point, but when you're tagging a private property, like right over here, you can tell they're tagging over there. So this is right here. That's the Socialist train, which I've walked. I've biked there, and I think the last time I was on here, I saw a train come this way. So that goes behind my house on the other side of the lake. So this is going to be open until God knows when. But no place for hate. That's right. So true. What's going on right now at the Hunch, what he did with the president of Ukraine, that's communist behavior. Sorry, man. People on the European will help him out. And Hunch's buddy, the Krem, right? But yeah, I just think it's kind of fun to walk on the rail line. There's a couple I looked at that I might want. I drive around town. I can park at and walk on. So, but I do want to get that one over there at lovely and talented scrap yards. It's kind of cool. I always see a Canadian Pacific cruising along there. So, as you can tell, this guy's coming right on his bike. He's cruising on over here. There he goes. I biked that. You guys saw that. So. Cruising right along, man. Wang Chung. What do you guys think, huh? It's a perfect day for not just this, but making videos. It's too bad. I might get I put some on my other channel from this channel, on my other channel, my drone video, and I get that out. We had it out in a good year and a half, so gotta fire it up and fly it around, but can't be too windy. Oh, I don't lose it like I did the last 2 times. So, but yeah, so we're kind of come up here to Highway 7, so. Very nice. Yeah, because the Christmas train was right on the other side of this bridge when I saw it at Christmas. Free Gaza, look at that right over there, tagging it. So, right there, all that metal just sitting. I think last time I was here, I bet that's still the same stuff. So, what a shame, huh? So, big power grid over there. And over there, metal. One guy did a really good video on Milwaukee Road when it went west. All the stuff over there, how that he followed the trail, and yeah, this is what I was here last time. Showed you there was a balloon down here when I was here. Still there. Again, pick up their trash, clean as they go. But it's a railroad for you. Yeah, here's Highway 7 coming up. So, more behaviors coming on, so it is what it is. So, that's too bad, but yeah, I think we'll end this and we'll walk on the way. Yeah, here's it, some more stuff sitting here. This bridge has been hit many times. This one I'm coming up to. Front of the road, it's lower than the rest of them. So if you keep walking, it's going to take you up to the St. Louis Park High School, you know. So, anyways, so there it is. So you guys, hope you enjoyed a little rail fanning. I like doing that, walking on railroad tracks, talking, reminiscing. So that's Wooddale over there. And over here, that Holiday was totally got blocked off. No one goes there anymore. So the train was right on the other side over here. It was right over here when we were there. So that's Highway 7 on a Sunday afternoon. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. On the high rails, as he says.